Twist, wherever they call it, you see that? Oh.
Adivina, adivina, fuga vengo no mo yo man, fuga si afo afo ya ngele pa bote dan, ambo te chachu ho, ano toque chachu ho, ano toque chachu ho.
Cute. Hi my divas, welcome to Divani here. It's your girl Johnny in the house, Johnny in the building, Johnny in the room. So I bring you this trendy top the top passion twist or a spring twist, wherever they call it. You see that? Oh my goodness. I use this here. Ooh. I use this here from YEBO. I saw on Amazon. I'm going to leave the link down below for you to go and purchase it. It's very cute and it's very, very nice. I use 4 bundles. No, I use 3 bundles and a half because where is them? Because remind me these ones. You see how bouncy is? And I love it. I really love it. I use 3 packs and a half. I do it. I'm going to upload that video next to this video. I'm going to upload how I do it for crochet. But this, I have 6 individuals here that I do it by myself. So you're going to see how I do individuals and how to do do it for yourself, for your kids, if you don't want to do all your hair on that. Stay tuned because I'm going to do it more longer. Yes, I think you want it more longer. You have to order like 6 packs or 7 packs, I don't know, but you can use the water whip to do it too. So hey, hello. I'm not going to touch more. The last is the afroncolourcl.com. I will leave the link down below. They are new. They launched yesterday, 19. Yes. So yeah, they're so cute and very affordable. I will leave the prices down below or here. And use my discount code JK10 for you to have 10% off. So yeah, not going to touch dog more. I leave you with this video. It's a little bit long, but you have to. Okay, bye. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, comment, tell me your honest opinion if you want to see more longer on me, because sure it look cute and all that. And if you like my highlight, comment too and share with your family and everybody, your boyfriend. Okay. So bye, and don't forget, good care speak more louder than words.
Cesario. She. Stop blow. Baby, I'm calling for you. Baby, I'll be down for you. Yeah. Pretty girl, you know the phone for me. Fine girl, come down for me. Cause I'll be calling you in the middle of the night. I'm down for you. Pretty girl, you know the phone for me. Fine girl, come down for me. Cause I'll be calling you in the middle of the night. I'm down for you.
Ya no queda más champán, señorita, otra botella. Dime por qué de todas siempre acabo con ella. Just keep it on the lolo. Follow me like Insta, Cesario futbolista. Ellas que me despistan. Hay campaña on the floor, mean star flow, bring the sauce. Te llamo luego y hasta la vista. And keep with my G's. Ya sabes como nada es de business. I'll be down for wherever you need me.
Body avocados, yeah, you a badass. Bust up my brain like you bust up champagne. Body avocados, yeah, you a badass. Mash up the place, how you burn up the place.
Nena, me vuelves loco. Podemos empezar poco a poco, más flaco, pero ahí sí te toco. Calcula el asunto, intento disfrutar del ambiente. Bandido, menos delincuente. I'll be down for you.
Pretty girl, you know the phone for me. Fine girl, come down for me. Cause I'll be calling you in the middle of the night. I'm down for you. Pretty girl, you know the phone for me. Fine girl, come down for me. Cause I'll be calling you in the middle of the night. I'm down for you. Dirty white,